I'm going to pick the two winners for the Knit Crate yarn. If you'd like to become a member, you can join under me, put in the code JEWEL20. The link is down below, and it's $24.99 per month. You'll get your first month 20% off. If you come here, you can pick out what you like for yarn, and every month you'll get 2 skeins of yarn with a booklet of patterns. Also, I have 2 books on Amazon for sale, Crochet Hats for Beginners and Crochet for Beginners, both paperback and Kindle audiobook for Crochet for Beginners. And if you like to come to my blog that is listed down below, it's amyscrochetpatterns.com. You can go right to patterns. You can click right on any type of pattern you like. There's a whole list like afghans, flower scarf, headbands, baby items, booties, coasters, miscellaneous, washcloths, doily. And you can click right on the picture. It takes you right to the pattern. Most of my patterns are free. A lot of them do have videos. Here's my most popular ones on the side, and they all have videos. Okay, and also my Etsy store, I've added a few things. The link for that is down below. My most popular is the Crochet Virus Poncho for crochet printables, which is like charts and crochet hooks, labels of like the symbols and everything. Then I have the favor tags and thank you business card. I'm into digital products, so I place them in my store. I just learned how to do a digital planner. I bought a program on how to do it and just placed it in here. So this, if anybody's interested, digital planners are really popular right now. You place them right into your iPad, and you use the app GoodNotes or something similar to that. And this one is undated annual yearly digital planner, so you can go right into it. It has hyperlinks and tabs that take you to each category, and it's also great for budget planning. And you just need like an iPad or a stylus pen. And I have vintage patterns. I have my purse, the actual purse if you like to buy it, and the pattern, some yarn, vintage patterns, hooks, and some mugs and shirts for birthdays, Christmas. Okay, so that's it. Also, let's go see who the winner is. I just want to say thank you everybody for subscribing, liking my videos, and watching them. Okay, one of the winners is Nancy. Congratulations. Please contact me with my email down below. I'll send this out as soon as possible. And Ada, congratulations. Also, do the same thing. Just take the email that's down below and contact me with all of your information for your address. I will send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for watching and participating in the giveaway. Look out for future giveaways and future videos. And just thank you everybody for subscribing as well.